To use any Visa, credit, or debit gift card online, so what you're going to do is just go to any e-commerce website like Amazon or Walmart, so any other platforms. So for example, let's say Amazon. I'm using Amazon here. Okay, so just add any item to your cart. So just go to your checkout like how you normally make a purchase. So once you're on your checkout here, so what we're going to do is go to checkout. So when you get to the checkout screen here, so what we're going to do here is we're going to add your credit card. So in this case, you're having a Visa card, so it's a Visa credit or debit card. So since it's a Visa card, is considered as the normal bank card as well. The process is pretty much same for how you normally like pay using your normal bank card. So since all are Visa cards, all you have to do is click on add new credit or debit card option at the checkout, and then here plug in the details of your Visa gift card now. So whatever the name, the expiration, card number, everything, just add all those and hit on add your card. So this will now will be added under the payment method, and from there simply select the Visa gift card that you just entered. Simply select that and then hit on continue and complete the transaction. So this is basically how you normally use the Visa gift card for any online purchases. It's pretty much similar as the how you normally use any other bank cards.